There are many ways to make money, but here are a few general tips. Start by finding a job or career that pays well and matches your skills and interests. This could be anything from a traditional 9-to-5 job to freelancing, starting your own business, or investing in the stock market. Look for ways to increase your income, such as asking for a raise at your job, taking on extra work or freelance gigs, or investing in real estate or stocks. Manage your finances wisely by creating a budget, tracking your spending, and saving as much money as possible. Consider putting your savings into high-yield savings accounts or investments that have a good return rate. Explore other sources of income, such as selling products online, tutoring, pet sitting, or doing odd jobs for people in your community. Stay focused and be patient. Making money usually takes time and effort, so don't give up if you don't see results right away. Keep learning and looking for new opportunities to grow your income over time. There are many ways to make money, depending on your skills, interests, and resources. Here are some general suggestions. Get a job. The most common way to make money is by getting a job. Look for job openings in your field of expertise, or consider jobs that require little experience and offer on-the-job training. Freelancing. If you have a specific skill set, such as writing, graphic design, or programming, consider freelancing. You can offer your services to clients on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer. Starting a business. If you have an entrepreneurial spirit, starting a business can be a great way to make money. Identify a need in the market and create a product or service to fill it. You can start small and grow your business over time. Investing. Investing in stocks, bonds, real estate, or other assets can be a way to generate passive income over time. It is important to do your research and understand the risks before investing. Renting out property. If you own property, you can rent it out for extra income. This can include renting out a spare room in your home or investing in rental properties. Remember, making money takes effort and patience. It is important to find a method that aligns with your interests and strengths, and to remain disciplined and focused on your goals.